Sitting on the floor in the Philadelphia airport, waiting for my flight, trying to read, and getting distracted by feet.
Yeah, I was sitting in the Philadelphia airport on the floor because it was the only place I could plug in. And people were walking by me. I was
isn't working as well as I thought it would. That's all you can see.
Distracted. Like, wow, those are nice. Look up and like, oh, okay, yeah.
You gotta match your face to the feet, right?
Yeah. And then, like, looking at beautiful legs and, like, looking up, I'm like, oh, okay. Yeah, that was what I was doing. I was trying to focus and
It's not really working.
it wasn't working too well.
Oh, that's not gonna melt that.
Oh,
I mean, it's really hot down there. I don't know why it's not
Facebook,
melting.
yeah.
You don't even have a Facebook. How you even looking at me?
Because you're locked in on your profile.
Oh, you locked me.
You forgot already.
How'd you do that?
I have ESP, remember?
Oh, yeah. I thought we couldn't log in. We finally logged in.
Well, I read
That was
mine
on.
and I got the password.
That was on Abraham's phone.
How's the fire, Matt?
Hot, hot, hot.
Yeah, the Photoshop's too small. We gotta look at it.
Hot, hot, hot.
I'm gonna log out.
That little boy has been emptying that jug for a while now. Got a lot of stuff in there.
Abraham is transfixed by the fountain.